Welcome back, guys, once again. It's me, Mr. Frederick, and today we're going to be working on an interesting topic called molecules. All right, so we're going to be diving into that topic, and one of the first questions that comes to mind is, what are molecules? And that's what we're going to be, as we go through the slides, we're going to get into depth and deeper understanding of this. Okay, so without further delay, let's begin. So molecules, they are a group of atoms bonded together, period. A group of atoms bonded together. So that's one thing to really get. So as we discussed atoms before, now when you get a group of atoms, they bond together, like you see here, H2O, which is water. This is a molecule, or nitrogen. You get two nitrogens together, they form molecules. So here you see an example of H2O water. You see the oxygen here in the center, and you see the two hydrogens here. This forms water when they bond together. Here you have two nitrogens. The nitrogen has 3 bonds, so they each bond to each other with 3 bonds. So then here you have nitrogen. So these are 2 examples of molecules that we see. Okay. Here we have the same water over here as well, H2O water, as we discussed before. And over here, we have NaCl, which is table salt. Okay. These are also molecules that we see day in and day out. Okay. So also, it's good to note that they have different charges as well. Na has a positive charge, which we discussed before, which is a cation. And chloride has a negative charge, which is an anion, and opposites attract. A positive attracts a negative. They bound together, and they form this molecule, NaCl. Both of them are dangerous, separate. But when they come together, they form something that we could consume, which is table salt. But like I said before in previous videos, be careful of taking too much table salt, because that could really raise your blood pressure. Okay, so these are different examples of molecules. There are many more examples, but basically it's just atoms that are bounded together through charges. You see here as well. Like you see, this oxygen has a negative charge. It's very powerful and it's bigger. It pulls those 2 hydrogens together and says, "You coming over here. You're not going away from me." And then it bounds them, and then hydrogen is just saying, "Oh, I got no choice. I'm going to stay with you." So it's very dominant, it's very demanding, and then that's the result that we see there. Okay, guys, this is the molecules basic review, understanding, and hope this is clear and very productive for all of y'all. This is Mr. Frederick, and I'm out.